Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCtech. In this video, I will show you how to make the desktop look aesthetic and clean like that. As you see, it looks so good and also takes very low performance from CPU and memory. Okay, let's do it. This is my current desktop. First of all, you download file I put in the description below. After downloading, you have this file. You extract it. In this folder, you have a folder skin and background picture. Now you right click to background picture and set a desktop background. And you see desktop background change to a new picture. Next step, you go to Microsoft Store. You type translutentTB. You click install. This app will make your taskbar become transparent. This app is very short, only more 3 MB. You open it and you see taskbar change to transparent. You click continue. If you want to change settings, you go to system change and click to this icon. Some effect in here. Clear is transparent. Next, you list to download Rainmeter software. Click to install it. Right click to unload the basic skin. Go to System Change, you click to icon to run Rainmeter Manager. In this window, you right click in this folder and select Open Folder. Go back to Skin. Now you go to a folder you download in my description. Access PCtech Skin. Copy on folder and paste in Rainmeter skin. Okay. Now go to the Manager Rainmeter window. You click refresh on and you see on screen already links to Rainmeter software. Now we will send skin to desktop. First is color dock tool. You click to expand it. In here you can select and send icon you want to desktop. I usually send as Chrome and computer. You expand as, select, right click, load. In position you select on desktop and transparency 10%. Next is Chrome, same, select, load. Position on desktop, transparency 10%. This PC, select, load. On desktop, transparency 10%. Next skin is elementary. You expand, select, unlock, right click, load. Position on desktop, transparency 10%. Solar pest also right click node position on desktop transparency 10%. Okay. Let's do vector. Expand, select node on desktop transparency 10%. Let's use this bubble. You expand and select bar extract, right click node. Position on desktop transparency 10%. So last it was the desk. I click node on desktop and also 10%. Okay, now we run it in desktop. You right click view unstick so desktop icon. Now desktop look clear. About this bubble skin, you have to play one music to see visualizer. This is this bubble skin. I move here and push the color inside. Okay. Hi. Okay. I want to say more about widget skin. You click to run Manage Rainmeter. In widget, you expand setting, right click and load. This is control table about weather. First, you click this icon. In this website, you input your location in search and click. It screen the file latitude and longitude. To copy it, input in this table, enter, same with longitude, paste, and enter. Now we have weather information in your location. Choose the skin variant current day, 3 day or 6 day. You can select option you want. I usually select current day, like this. Side value, input side value in here. I think 1 is okay. So and high, city name. Nice. Okay, close. Last step, you right click icon in this taskbar and spin. About 3 icons, you go to setting, personalization, taskbar, and off. On. Now we have a new desktop, looks aesthetic and very clean. I think everyone who like the simple life can set up your desktop like this. Okay, I already showed you how to make your desktop looks aesthetic and clean. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.